Ooh, it's a perfect avocado. Look at this steaming bun. Ooh. I'm gonna eat this. Goodbye. You guys seem to love not only my food videos, but also my spending videos. So I thought I would take these two ideas today, mash them together, make a beautiful little baby, and I'm gonna share with you guys what I ate this week, / also how much I spent on what I ate this week. Thank you so much to Fidelity for sponsoring this portion of the video. Throughout 2022, I feel like I found a really good balance between eating out and ordering takeout and making food from home. Now, we all know that I'm a foodie and I love to go eat out and to order takeout, but at the same time, you know that I also love to cook. So eating at home more, cooking at home more has been so good, not only for my own creativity in the kitchen, but ultimately my wallet. Also, I'm getting older and I really am trying to work on being more financially responsible. Truly, Fidelity has been amazing for that. I truly started using Fidelity because my dad has used it for a very long time. Fidelity is amazing for budgeting, goal tracking, and investing, which I'll be honest, a lot of those things are very foreign concepts to me and things that I really truly needed to learn. So I love that Fidelity has so many resources to help you understand such an important topic that I feel like we are not taught enough in normal life. Overall, Fidelity is amazing because it's super easy to use and most importantly has helped me improve my money habits, which has been truly priceless for me in my life. So if you guys want to learn more with Fidelity, you can check out the link in my description box, and thank you to Fidelity for sponsoring this portion of the video. So if you guys want some cooking inspo, some recipe inspo, or if you're just interested in what I ate this week and how much I spent on it, let's get on with the video. Getting some potatoes and tomatoes. Okay guys, got all the groceries for my soup, and then while in there I decided I wanted to randomly make a chili because I've been wanting to do that, and then also got just like a bunch of other random snacks and things that we needed refilling, like mayo and cheese and like random staples. Okay, so total for groceries at the end of the day was expensive, but I got a lot of meats and things. That was $135.14, but that will last me the entire week, I'm pretty sure. And also I realized I forgot to get cornbread mix, and you can't have chili without cornbread, so gotta go grab that. There's people here. I'm so embarrassed vlogging by myself. All right, for $11.48, I got a regular and a gluten-free cornbread mix, so we have options. Add that to the total. Hi guys, okay, it's lunchtime. I'm having a late lunch. I am so hungry, and I heavily rely on frozen food throughout the week, especially on work days because I'm always running around like a chicken with my head cut off. So for lunch today, we are doing a barbecue pork bun and some frozen shrimp dumplings. These are so delicious. I get them at the Korean market, and technically they're free since I already bought them, but look at this steaming bun. Ooh, can you see that steam? Frozen food might be my favorite ever. Shrimp dumpling. Done in the microwave in 3 minutes. Lunch is served. It is snack time, and I'm gonna have 2 of these little tangerines for a snack. Okay guys, I'm about to start prepping dinner. I've got some avocado oil heating up really hot in my Dutch oven, and I've always wanted to do this in all of my years of cooking. I've never done this, and it just looks like fun to me. We are going to start by taking our sausage. I'm using, what is this? Sweet Italian chicken sausage, and I'm gonna take one of these links. It looks like a hot dog. And what you actually do is you open up the casing and the sausage is on the inside. You can cook it obviously like this if you want a sausage, but I want the innards, so I'm just gonna chop it open. I've always wanted to do this. And then take the meat out of the casing. I know this looks crazy and it's gonna sizzle loud. You wanna take the sausage out of the casing. I always see people on Food Network do this, and I've always wanted to do it myself. Ooh, yeah. It is very satisfying, I must say. I'm following an online recipe for this. This is so funny. Just squeezing it out like a slinky. This reminds me of one of those toys that we used to play with as a kid that has like the water inside of it. You know what I'm talking about. Wash the hands, wash the hands. I also got this new tool that I've yet to use. You use it to break up meat. Ooh, look at that crispy brown edge we're getting on there. Gotta break her all up. Sausage cooked, turkey bacon browning.
Is that bacon? What else is that? Is that chicken?
Sausage. Breakfast soup. We got onions and garlic. Potatoes are in the soup. It's boiling, looking good. I've got this cheddar jalapeno sourdough from the farmer's market that I'm gonna chop up and make into croutons. Oh my God, can of coconut milk going in? Oopsies, it's dancing. Last step, all of our kale. going in.
I already had kale today.
You can have it twice.
Ugh.
Okay guys, dinner is served. We've got the soup in the bowl. I topped with a little Parmigiano Reggiano and the homemade croutons and some fresh cracked black pepper. It looks amazing and super hearty and delicious. And then while that was simmering, Cal and I made dessert for the night. I have been loving mandarin oranges just dipped in a little bit of dark chocolate. I put a little sea salt on top and I'm gonna refrigerate these, and it's like a fun, delicious little fruity chocolatey dessert. And then Cal's obsessed with these almond butter filled dates dipped in chocolate with sea salt on top. Delicious. We're gonna refrigerate these and eat dinner. Good morning, guys. It's the next morning. It is Tuesday. I just got back in the gym. Alicia and I got a workout in. I'm feeling good, feeling sweaty. I'm having some greens this morning. They're honestly so good. And while I was running on the treadmill, all I could think about was this breakfast right here. We are having a piece of toast with some dairy-free cream cheese, some lox salmon, and a slice of tomato with flaky salt on top. I do wish I had cucumbers, but mine went bad, so we're doing cucumber-less today. But, I did let it sit for a little while, so it's a little soggy, so I'm a little sad. But nonetheless, still delicious. You know what? I'm gonna put some avocado on top because I need some healthy fats and it's lacking some buttery richness of avocado, you know? Ooh, it's a perfect avocado. All right, with avocado, here we go. Next level. See you at lunchtime or snack time, whatever comes first. Hi guys, back in the same spot. I got hungry, so it's lunchtime and I made myself a coconut shrimp wrap. I'm gonna slice it down the middle. I did sriracha mayo, coconut shrimp, and a grain-free tortilla, and then lettuce with avocado. It's falling apart, shoot. Ooh, all right, here it is, big bite. It's so good. I would order this at a restaurant. Also, since I used everything from home, technically $0. I don't see myself going out and buying food today, so I think today's gonna be a $0 day. Hello all, we picked up dinner on the way home. We are so hungry. It's 7:43 p.m. We spent way longer at Target than we necessarily meant to, and I didn't want to cook. So we picked up dinner, and the total for dinner, we split it, was $42.72. So split that for whatever that is, and I'll show you what I got. Oh, we got half a rotisserie chicken. Delicious. Oh, it looks so good. My mouth is salivating. I got a side salad, a Caesar salad. She's doing her salad shake. I'm gonna eat this. Good morning, guys. It is the next morning. It is 8 a.m. on Wednesday morning. I just said morning 4 times. I got a fabulous night of sleep, and now I'm up and I'm having some coffee. I made myself a double shot latte because I really need it today. And Whit and Ollie are on their way over. Whit is obviously my producer, and then Ollie's been helping me with the rebranding of Cooking with Remy for the next season. So they're coming, and I'm making breakfast for myself and Cal, and I asked them and they want breakfast as well. So we're making 4 breakfast burritos. Also, I figured I would get started on dinner right now because for the first time ever, I'm using my crock pot that I just got, and we're gonna make some crock pot chili, which is gonna be fantastic for dinner later and for the rest of the week. Guys, I started getting together all the chili ingredients, and I realized I don't have any bell peppers. I was supposed to buy red bell pepper, and I forgot at the store, but have no fear. I went out to the garden, and look what I got. I got a bunch of these little baby bell peppers, onion sizzling, homegrown bell peppers going in. Oh, this is hard. Breakfast burritos are starting here. Chili's going here. Someone knows it's breakfast time. Who's waiting patiently? Who's waiting patiently? Yay, 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 yay. Oh, it's breakfast time for everybody. Breakfast, Daisy. Here's what Momo and Daisy eat in a week. You ready? Do a spin. Where's your spins? Can you do a spin? No, you're just too hungry. Too hungry to think. Here you go. All right, chili's all made. I mixed together a bunch of spices. I did a mixture of 99% lean ground turkey, a pound of that, and a pound of the 93% lean turkey, just for a little bit of flavor mixtures. I did my favorite beans, kidney beans and black beans, chicken broth and crushed tomatoes, and now I'm gonna cook this on high for 4 hours, and it should be ready. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna eat it till dinner, so I'll probably do low so it can simmer a little longer. The flavors can come together. Looks so good. Oh, I forgot the corn. Oh my God. I got a bag of this gorgeous tricolor corn that's also going in. There we go. Chili's cooking. The breakfast burritos have a grain-free tortilla. I'm doing cheese on some, eggs, sausage, the crispy potatoes, and avocado. Ooh. Thoughts on the burrito? Yes. Okay, guys, here's my burrito. I did no cheese on mine, and I'm gonna make some sriracha mayo to go on the side, but and these tortillas pretty good. Yeah. They're so good. Woo! It's lunchtime, guys. I'm making lunch for everybody. I'm heating up the soup from the other day. The soup is getting nice and hot. I've got bread going in my steam toaster, the jalapeno cheddar bread to serve alongside. It looks amazing. Topping each one with some Parmesan as if we are at Olive Garden. Fresh baked croutons. And a slice of bread. They got their soup.
It's so good. Good soup. Ooh, the soup,
The soup, babe.
What kind of soup is this?
Zuppa Toscana.
What do you call me?
Our chili is done and thickened. I will say I sent Whit home with like half of it. So that's why there's not as much, but look how delicious that looks. And I made cornbread. Oh, that is done baking. That looks so good. It smells divine. I got hungry for a snack and was craving some coconut shrimp. So I'm doing some frozen coconut shrimp. Yum. Dinner is served. We've got the chili with cheese, sour cream, and cornbread on top. Cal has never had chili until right now.
I've never had home cooked chili.
You've eaten regular chili though?
Wendy's chili.
Oh, I love Wendy's chili.
Well, hot.
Do you not like it?
No, it's not that I don't like it. It's just interesting. The texture. I could go for onions on it, honestly.
You want some onions? Okay, let me try a bite.
I'm not saying that it tastes dull. The onions would be a fun mixture.
Mmm, it's good chili. It's meaty. Okay, let's get some onions on there. Stop. He needs onions. The flavor is dull.
No, I want some crunch.
Little red onion going on top for some flavor.
No, it's for the crunch.
I've made your chili my chili.
Thank you.
The onions really take it to the next level. The onions are really good.
Oh, yeah.
It's Thursday morning and I'm having eggs for breakfast. 3 eggs, ketchup, delicious.
Taste test. I think this is a beef taco. I know there's a pork one. And I think a chicken one.
Hi guys, we went for a night out and I'm gonna eat I'm doing a what I eat in a week. I'm eating a peanut butter cup. 10 out of 10. Alicia's having
Rotisserie chicken and buffalo cauliflower from Air One left over from yesterday.
We have french fries, onion rings.
So like,
Wow. I'm an onion ring girl. It was supposed to be half buffalo, but they all came garlic parmesan, and that's okay. Chicken wings. Mukbang. Goodbye. Friday breakfast. We've got bacon, avocado, potatoes, eggs, tomato. Dinner time, making a big salad. We've got my caramelized onion dip recipe on cookingwithremy.com. We got a momo, and I'm making smash burgers. All right, dinner is served. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This was a very true and honest just what I ate in the week. I hope it gave you some recipe inspo if you're looking for new things to cook at home. And I do feel like I have found a good balance. I know I definitely splurged this week. I definitely went to Nobu with my friends and had a good time getting drinks and food. But other than that, it was a fabulous normal week for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget I'm doing Vlogmas over on my vlog channel. If you guys want to see me vlog every single day leading up to Christmas, check it out. youtube.com/remlife. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!